Alright. Welcome back to the channel. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe before going further. No, I think two of the best people who can ever work together is Aidonia and the Genius. And of course they have Pitta Pat, produced by the one and only the Genius. So make a jump in. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Come in.
Wickedest time when it rain, it a fall outside on the roof in a pitta pat. Girl inna me bed in a little piece of frock. If your man body soft, confidence stiff a cock. Cause I know.
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Yo, me don't pause the video, I'm gonna get no money, you know. So let's go run it.
Inna that panic cock like a so the girl a tick a duck. Girl a body pretty, make it picture snap. She said take time. Me say me no give a fuck, so me give her it. Hear the young gal a ball, cock in a belly over 9-inch tall.
But now I'm gonna lie, so far, I like the quality of the video. I like the style of the video, you see me? It have color. It give me one of them advanced 90s look there, you see me? And the song give me one of them 90s vibe there.
Tough up and going ice all Jesus a Christ name she a call. Me damage it, collateral. Give you me money and make you go fuck up a mall. Take body girl, take body girl. Take body girl. Round one, long boots the gold one. She say father how long them me goes around two. Body strong up we gun food. She say power up no go cool. Them me goes around three. Cocky rebel.
Yo. Pull up that song, yeah. When I say some, I need to put some respect on my artist name. This is how I talk about. Come again.
Wickedest time when it rain, it a fall outside on the roof in a pitta pat. Girl inna me bed in a little piece of frock. If your man body soft, confidence stiff a cock. Cause I know, inna that panic cock like a so the girl a tick a duck. Girl a body pretty, make it picture snap. She said take time. Me say me no give a fuck, so me give her it. Hear the young gal a ball, cock in a belly over 9-inch tall. Tough up and going ice all. Jesus a Christ name she a call. Me damage it, collateral.
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. It sound tough.
I'll give you me money and make you go fuck up a mall. Take body girl, take body girl. Take body girl. Round one, long boots the gold one. She say father how long them me goes around two. Body strong up we gun food. She say power up no go cool. Them me goes around three. Cocky rebel me crown she. Sit down on the body that she found see. She ball fi run four. Harder pound more. She holla come more rain all a dump pour. Hear the young gal a ball, cock in a belly over 9-inch tall. Tough up and going ice all. Jesus a Christ name she a call. Me damage it, collateral. Give you me money and make you go fuck up a mall.
Yo, me not lying, I feel like Aidonia was the original artist for actually bring swag come at Jamaica. Me not gonna lie. Like, me feel like Aidonia the first man, me see come at like drop a yard and start drop some designer style beat. You see me? Like no hypocrite thing. Feel like them money actually start make some artists start upgrade them style when they come on to dress it.
Take body girl, take body girl. Take body girl. Bring your body come and give me girl and make me damage it. All when your body ticking now you know me manage it. When you sit down on the top and make me fuck you properly. What's me hand and me pin up and reach me harmony. Hand on me, fuck you good and make you wet your hand on me. Hand on me, make you walk pon water gallery. Hand on me, kill you with the agony, the agony.
Make you walk pon water gallery. Boom.
She said Jesus Christ the God of me. Hear the young gal a ball, cock in a belly over 9-inch tall. Tough up and going ice all. Jesus a Christ name she a call. Me damage it, collateral. Give you me money and make you go fuck up a mall. Take body girl, take body girl. Take body girl. Take.
Yo, for a second dog, I thought this girl was the TikTok girl named Maya. But they with the hombre. Whatever the hell him name is, CJ, FJ, TJ, whatever. At the beginning, I think I did she, but you see me?
Take body girl, take body girl.
Alright, okay. Boom. That's how we have pause it. Anyway, Aidonia is my number one artist, favorite artist of all time. If you go school with me, you know I said Aidonia was like the number one artist when it come on to me. Gully Gaza go on, Aidonia me I say. Aidonia straight. You see me? So personally I feel like Aidonia one of the toughest, you see me, if not the toughest lyricist for come out of Jamaica straight. You see me? You can agree if you disagree, or you can agree if you just agree with me or whatever the case is. But that is what no really like me look up and I get about it. Oh, burn up. You see me? But yeah. See me? Something more appropriate. But anyway. I feel like Diddy is just not giving his fans enough. Like we feel like we not get enough music from Diddy. Because, you know, but at the same time we can kind of respect his decision and just dropping music selectively, because when that music is dropped, you know, say it got tough like this tough, you see me. But again, everybody have them own strategic way of how them do them thing, and I think that is one of his thing, so it a work for him, so I make it go on. However, the fans need more, you understand, and we know you give it to the fans in a timely manner, but we need more. But anyway, we give song a 10 out of 10. You see me? No. Lyrics and flow is something that we don't have to talk about when it comes down to Aidonia. There's a few people when it comes to lyrics and flow we don't have to talk about. Skilly, Cartel, Donia, Masicka. And 4 people there. You see me? It is not in a favorite orderly fashion. You see me? Of who's number 1 and who's number 2. I'm just going to 4 artists and I think when it comes on to lyrics and flow, we don't have to really question the quality of music that they're going to put out. You see me? But anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you think. Song bad, I feel like this could be a... Yo, if dog, you just dropped this before the summer done. But this can be one of them Christmas banger day too. You see me? So remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.